Welcome to Livermore Ford Lincoln, the Bay Area's premier Ford dealer. And here's a look at another one of our quality pre-owned vehicles from our large selection, and comes equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360 Assist, parking sensors, sync communication system, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, rear view camera, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear spoiler, steering wheel controls, auto high beam headlamp control. Every vehicle is put through a rigorous inspection and reconditioning process by our highly trained technicians, using only certified OEM parts, guaranteeing you the highest quality vehicle possible. Livermore Ford Lincoln is your ideal destination for all of your automotive needs. Come visit us at 2266 Kittyhawk Rd in Livermore. Your next vehicle is waiting.